The ongoing India Couture Week 2023 is enthralling all of us with stunning collections from ace designers. But there's one more thing that has people talking now. The inaugural Renaissance Reverie collection by designers Falguni and Shane Peacock, which had Kiara Advani channel her Barbie energy, gave us a lesson about inclusivity. A gay model walked the ramp in a stunning lehenga. The moment has now gone viral. Rabanne Victor looked exquisite in a beautiful golden fish-cut lehenga. His outfit was one of our favorites from the collection. The attire featured a golden slip blouse heavily embellished with golden sequin details. This alluring piece was paired with an intricate fishtail lehenga with frill detailing and a short train. The golden sheer veil with a floor-sweeping train and golden sequin details at the borders that covered his face added more glam to this look. His walk wearing a lehenga with so much ease definitely quashed the narrative that lehenga only belongs to the female wardrobe. Well, this walk has definitely brought him more popularity, and one look at his Instagram is enough to prove that he's among those people who love to experiment with their looks. Talking of Victor, he regularly models for A-list designers like Sabyasachi and even has a great personal style. And we are hoping that this viral moment will get him many more great opportunities. By the way, wearing a skirt has been quite normalized by new age actors as they confidently don this piece of clothing. Ranveer Singh is the frontrunner in this. Even Babil Khan, Vijay Verma and others have worn skirts for special occasions, defying gender norms. What are your thoughts about men wearing a lehenga or a skirt? Do let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha to know all the updates from the fashion world.